Have you ever wondered what's hiding inside those giant triangle buildings in Egypt? Today we're going to explore the amazing pyramids. We'll discover how ancient Egyptians built these huge structures with just rocks and ropes, no machines at all. We'll peek inside at mummies, treasure rooms, and hidden chambers. And we'll find out why Egyptian kings built these as their special tombs. By the end, you'll know all the coolest secrets of the pyramids. Welcome to Goli's Pip Academy. Okay, let's start with something really cool. The pyramids in Egypt are some of the oldest buildings in the entire world. The biggest pyramid, called the Great Pyramid, was built over 4,500 years ago. That's older than your great-great-great-great-great-grandparents, times 100. And guess what? It's still standing strong today. Now here's the mind-boggling part. This pyramid is huge. It's as tall as a 40-story building, and it's made of about 2 million stone blocks. Each block weighs as much as a car. Some even weigh as much as an elephant. Can you imagine stacking 2 million car-sized rocks into a perfect triangle shape? It sounds impossible, right? First, they needed to get the stone. Workers would go to special places called quarries, where there were lots of big rocks. They would cut huge blocks of stone right out of the ground. The Egyptians were super clever. They used copper tools and wooden wedges. They would put wooden wedges into cracks in the rock, then pour water on them. The wood would swell up and crack the rock apart. Pretty smart. Now they had these giant stone blocks, but they were really, really heavy. How do you move something that weighs as much as a car when you don't have a truck? This is where the Egyptians got really creative. They used ropes and ramps. Picture this. Thousands of workers would wrap thick ropes around a stone block. Then, working together like a big team, they would pull and push the stone. But wait, how did they get these heavy stones way up high to build the pyramid? This is the coolest part. They built giant ramps made of mud and brick. These ramps went up the side of the pyramid like a long, slanted road. Workers would pull the stones up these ramps. As the pyramid got taller, they would make the ramps longer and higher. Some scientists think these ramps wrap around the pyramid like a spiral staircase. It took thousands and thousands of workers to build just one pyramid. Building the Great Pyramid took about 20 years. That's longer than you've been alive. The workers had to be really strong and really patient. They worked in teams, and everyone had an important job to do. Time for our first quiz. Multiple choice question. How did ancient Egyptians move the heavy stone blocks to build the pyramids? A. They used big cranes. B. They used ropes and ramps. C. They used helicopters. D. They used magic spells. If you said B, they used ropes and ramps, great job. Now you know how these amazing pyramids were built.
Hey! You're watching Goli's Pip Academy, where we teach about science, geography, history, everything about the whole world. If you want to watch these classes with no ads, no distractions, go to getgoli.com.
But here's what everyone really wants to know. What's inside? Let's go exploring. If you could walk inside a pyramid, and some you actually can, you would find yourself in dark, narrow hallways called passages. These passages twist and turn through the inside of the pyramid like a maze. Some go up, some go down, and some are so low you'd have to crawl on your hands and knees. These passages lead to special rooms called chambers. The most important chamber is right in the middle of the pyramid. This is where the pharaoh, that's what Egyptians called their king, was buried. The pharaoh's chamber was decorated with beautiful paintings and writings on the walls. The Egyptians turned the pharaoh's body into a mummy. Now, when you hear the word mummy, you might think of spooky movies, but real mummies aren't scary. They're actually pretty amazing examples of ancient science. Now, you might be thinking, did the pyramids really have treasure inside? Yes. The Egyptians believed the pharaoh would need his favorite things in the afterlife, so they filled the pyramid with treasures. We're talking about gold jewelry, beautiful furniture, games and toys, even food and drinks. And here's something that sounds like it's from an adventure movie. Some pyramids have secret chambers. These hidden rooms were meant to keep the pharaoh safe and hide the treasures from robbers. The Egyptians would build fake doors, hidden passages, and even drop stones that would fall down and block passages after the pyramid was sealed. They were trying to create the ultimate puzzle to keep thieves out. Time for our second quiz. True or false? Pyramids have secret chambers and treasure rooms hidden inside. If you said true, then awesome, you are right. You're becoming a pyramid expert. Now let's talk about the big question. Why? Why did the Egyptians work so hard to build these enormous pyramids? The answer is all about what the ancient Egyptians believed about life and death. The Egyptians believed that life didn't end when you died. They thought that when someone died, they went on a journey to another world called the afterlife. And guess what? They believed the pharaoh, their king, was super special. They thought the pharaoh was half human and half god. Building a pyramid for the pharaoh wasn't just about making a tomb. It was a way to show respect and love for their king. It was like the whole country working together on a huge project to honor someone they thought was amazing. The pyramid was also supposed to help the pharaoh on his journey to the afterlife. The Egyptians believed the pharaoh's spirit needed a place to live. The pyramid and the mummy inside gave the spirit a home. All those treasures and objects weren't just nice gifts. They were things the pharaoh would actually need and use in the next world. And here's something really cool. The Egyptians believed that if they took good care of their pharaoh in the afterlife, he would take care of them. They thought the pharaoh could talk to the gods and ask them to send good things like rain for crops, protection from enemies, and health for the people. So building the pyramid wasn't just for the pharaoh, it was for everyone in Egypt. Building a pyramid was also a way to show how powerful and wealthy Egypt was. When other countries saw these massive pyramids, they knew Egypt was an important and advanced place. The pyramids took so much work that they brought the whole country together. Time for our last quiz. Multiple choice question. Why did ancient Egyptians build the pyramids? A. To have big parties. B. As special tombs for pharaohs. C. As schools for children. D. As shopping malls. If you said B, as special tombs for pharaohs, perfect, that's right. You're now an official pyramid expert here at Pip Academy. The pyramids are still standing today, and they're one of the most famous landmarks in the world. People travel from all over the globe to see them, and now you know their secrets. Thanks for exploring the pyramids with us today here at Pip Academy. Keep being curious about the amazing world around us.
My mind is blown. Where can I learn more about these videos? Oh yeah, getgoalie.com. There's no ads, there's no junk, just cool stuff for kids and a dedicated tablet. Check it out, getgoalie.com.